Here's a quick video on our pond update. If you don't know, Texas is in a severe drought, especially where we live in southern central Texas. But I'm gonna show you, everything you see is dirt, used to be underwater. So we'll take a look around. So all that used to be, so I'm guessing we're about 2 feet low. I've actually had to stop running the filter and just use our pump for aeration because it's so hot. We've been in the triple digits for a couple weeks now, so that's a simple fountain. And you can see just beyond that, that's one of our fishing habitats. They're actually starting to stick up out of the water. There's Christmas tree. Down there where that decoy is, there's another Christmas tree that's starting to stick up. You can see it. But we got a little project. We're gonna do a little maintenance. I'm gonna take everything right here and we're fixing to put some pea gravel in. Since the water's down, before the water comes back in, I'll put some pea gravel down so we just don't make a milkshake. I know it's probably feeding a well of Tic Tac, but looking at all the other dirt and the water's gonna run off from, but we're going to give it a shot. So that's the end of the pipe that comes off of all of our rain gutters across the front of the house. And you can see that in another video. But all that water will come down through these rocks. And water used to stop right here. It just come all the way up here. You can see this grass here. It's a water grass, and it's all dead now because there ain't no water. So we got a good 15, 16 feet to the water's edge now. So plan is I've got 6 bags of pea gravel and a roll of landscape fabric. What I'm gonna do is lay some of it out here and try to keep some of this from just washing out whenever allegedly it rains again in Texas. So stick around, we'll be right back. Well, there's the final product. I know it ain't pretty. I know we're short on some rock. And I know somebody's gonna say, well, why didn't you use bull rock or something bigger? And I'll tell you, because if I'm ever in this water, swimming or such, I'd much rather walk on this pea gravel and get out. So I'll tell you, walking in that muck over there, I mean, you can see what it does to a light coon. So anyways, when the water comes back up, I think the brim and such, they'll like it. At least they have some gravel beds to play in. All right, that's it. Like and subscribe. Bam.